Values. What do you think of when you hear that word? Values are ideas that guide how people live, work, and care for one another. Here's something to think about. How do our choices and actions show what we value? How can those values help our communities grow stronger? Today, we're learning about a holiday called Kwanzaa that's all about values. People pause to think about who they are, how they treat others, and how their choices reflect those values and help their community grow. Every object for this holiday is even chosen with these values in mind. Candles glow with purpose, and gifts are shared with meaning. Let's take a closer look at this meaningful holiday. Kwanzaa is a cultural holiday, not a religious one, celebrated from December 26th to January 1st. Created in 1966, it honors African American traditions, history, and community, and focuses on reflection, shared values, and the power of working together. At the heart of this celebration are its values. These are called the Seven Principles, also known as Nguzo Saba. Some of these values focus on how people treat one another every day. For example, umoja, which means unity, is about staying together and caring for one another, like helping clean up together after a family meal. Ujima, or working together, means helping solve problems as a group, such as working with family or neighbors to clean up a shared space. Another value connected to Kwanzaa helps guide how people use their talents every day. Let's take a closer look. This value is called nia, which means purpose. Purpose is about using what you're good at to help your family and community. Everyone has talents, even if you are still discovering them. Maybe you're great at helping younger siblings, explaining things to others, drawing or creating art, organizing materials, or making people feel included. These talents are part of who you are, and they can be used with purpose. Think about this question. What is something you are good at? Now ask yourself, how could you use that skill to help someone else? Pause the video and record your thoughts. Even small actions can make a big difference. When we use our talents with purpose and care, we strengthen our families and communities. As you go about your week, try to notice how the values we talked about show up in your everyday life. Together, these principles help guide how people care for themselves and their communities. While they shape how Kwanzaa is celebrated, they are values that anyone can learn from and reflect on. Take a moment to think about a value that is meaningful to you and how that idea could help make a community stronger. Use the values bank in your guided notes for ideas if you need them. Pause the video and jot down your thoughts. The values that you bring to your community are important and deserve to be recognized. That's why during Kwanzaa, people use special symbols and traditions to affirm these values. The kinara is a candle holder that holds 7 candles. During Kwanzaa, families light 1 candle each night over the 7 days of the celebration. The 7 candles represent people, struggles, and hope for the future. The black candle is usually lit first, followed by the red and green candles on the nights that follow. Another symbol is the nkeka, which is a woven mat. It reminds us that strong communities are built on history and tradition. Just like a mat holds everything together, our shared stories and traditions help support the people in a community. Can you think of a tradition you like to be part of? For me, It's having dinner with my family and talking about our day. Just like that routine brings people together, Kwanzaa includes traditions that bring families together in purposeful ways. Families may celebrate with drumming, dancing, storytelling, sharing food, and giving handmade gifts. Handmade gifts are often chosen because they are personal, not expensive, reminding us that thoughtfulness matters more than cost. These traditions are about more than just celebrating. They help people feel connected by the values they share. Each of these symbols and traditions reinforces those values, and together they help bring people closer. Kwanzaa began in the United States and is now shared by families in many parts of the world. No matter where Kwanzaa is celebrated, people honor the same 7 principles, even as each place adds its own unique cultural flavor. In the US, families light candles, share stories, and gather as a community. In the United Kingdom, celebrations may include festivals, music, and cultural performances. In parts of the Caribbean, people celebrate with local foods, music, and outdoor gatherings. Wow! Exploring Kwanzaa has helped us discover powerful symbols, watch joyful traditions, and reflect on our own values. It's exciting to learn how people celebrate in different places and notice traditions that may be new to us. There isn't just one right way to celebrate. Families choose traditions that feel meaningful to them. Learning about these celebrations helps us be curious, respectful, and open to others. Even as celebrations look different around the world, these shared values help connect people everywhere. Throughout this course, we explored many different holidays and discovered a shared idea. Celebrations help people connect with their families, cultures, and communities. And they also show us how much we have in common with others. Thank you for being part of this holidays journey. I hope you leave with curiosity, respect, and appreciation for both the ways people are different and the ways we are alike, and that you carry these values with you long after the celebrations end.
Hey, hey.